All right, everyone. Sorry it's been a few months since the last video. It's been cold and I kind of ran out of motivation to make videos on the Jeep. I know I said in July of last year I was going to make one once a week for the rest of that year. I made it 18 weeks, which is good, but today got a new video. Going to do some interior LED light upgrades with these Auxito LED lights. They were kind enough to send these to me. And what's funny is I accepted them wanting to send them because I've got them before off of Amazon. I put them on the Durango, and I believe I put them on that Honda Accord that I had for a couple months as well. So we're going to toss these in, see how it looks. I'm going to do a little before and after video of what the interior looks like with these. All right, so as you can see, it is dark as hell in here. But I got my exposure all the way up just so you can kind of see the inside of the vehicle here, what it looks like with the factory lights. Swing around here. That gives you kind of an idea. You know, it's a warm lighting, it's good enough, but switching to LEDs never hurts. So I'm gonna switch these out and then we'll do a little after video and see what it looks like after. So real quick, this is kind of cool. They sent a little tool with the bulbs to, you know, pop the covers off, like right there, to get to the bulbs. So that was nice of them. Thanks. One thing I did want to mention, guys, and it's the same with the Durango, because I had the Durango. You can't replace these, unfortunately, which are like those lights that come on. So you'll have these on, but, and there's the LEDs. You won't be able to place the incandescent ones because it's like a hardwired thing. I think it's like an LED, but just wanted to mention that. All right, guys, so next up is the glove box light. Now, on mine, I've got this extra shelf, which I think some have, some don't. My Durango didn't have it, but you'll have to take the glove box out and that extra shelf to give you a little bit better room to get to this one. All right, so we got the LED in the glove box. That was definitely the hardest one because it is a very tight space right there, but you can see nice little difference there. All right, guys, real quick, wanted to show you before I replace the other one. All right, there we go. Before I replace the other one, I wanted to show you, see how much this side lights up compared to that side. So I'm in the garage. It's daytime out, so I'm trying to keep it dark in here just to show you guys, but you can see like how much brighter this side is versus that side. All right, guys, so all the LEDs are in. You see I got both passenger rears, got the map lights, got the footwell ones, which should maybe be coming on if you do the footwell. I know that one's on over there. Maybe this one I actually might have put in reverse polarity. So let me fix that real quick. All right, we're back. So yes, I put that one in reverse polarity. Something to keep in mind when you're putting these in. They do go a certain way. So if you put it in and it's not working, just flip it and it should come on. So that's that. You can see in the back there. Let me unlock here. See in the very back, and I'll try to get another clip at night outside because I don't have enough room in here to open it, but you can see how much brighter it is in here though, obviously with all of these. All right, so here is the amount of light output from the new LED lights, and as you can see, it's pretty bright. It puts out a lot of light. I'm able to see quite a large radius around the vehicle too. So definitely a worthwhile upgrade. And like I said before, I'll link these in the description. So there you have it. Big thanks to Auxito for the LED lights. And these are the pack is a 10 pack. I had one left over, which I think it was just an extra, unless I was just missing one random one. But anyways, this replaces 194, 168, 28, 25. I'll link this pack here on the description below, and you guys can pick up a pack of these. But yeah, overall pretty impressed with how it looked. So we'll see you guys on the next clip.